Here's how to rearrange channels on the YouTube TV guide. So to get started, you want to go onto your computer and go to the YouTube TV website, which is tv.youtube.com. Once you're here, you're going to want to sign in. Then you want to go to the top right corner and click on your little profile icon. And then you want to go and click on settings. When you click on that, you're probably going to be taken to a membership page that looks like this. What you'll want to do is come over to this menu on the left side, and then you're going to want to click on Live Guide. And now here's where you can go ahead and rearrange your channels. So right now these channels are lined up exactly how you would see them on your live guide. Right now my local channels are at the top of this list, so they're going to be at the top of my live guide. But I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and let's say I'm a big sports fan and I want to have ESPN at the top of my live guide. What I could do is click and hold down on these two horizontal bars next to ESPN, and I can go ahead and drag it up near the top. Or I can go ahead and on the right side of ESPN, I can click on this up arrow, and it's going to immediately send it up to the top of my live guide here. So with these two bars on the sides of the channels, you can go ahead and rearrange the channels however you'd like. Alright, so now I'm over at my TV, and now I want to show you exactly how to see the changes you made to your live guide. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down a little bit, and next to the times here, you're going to see these three horizontal lines. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then now on this menu here, you want to go ahead and select Custom. If you already have Custom selected, you'll want to click on it again just to make sure the guide refreshes. And now as you can see, I have ESPN at the top of my live guide. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.